Traffic on a network can be categorized into three main types: unicast, broadcast, and multicast. Unicast traffic is like a private conversation between two devices, where data travels from one sender to one receiver. Broadcast traffic is more like a public announcement, where data is sent from one sender to all devices on the network. Multicast traffic is a bit like a targeted group chat, where data is sent from one sender to a specific group of receivers who are interested in the information. Understanding the differences between unicast, broadcast, and multicast traffic is crucial for optimizing network performance and efficiently managing data transmission. By efficiently utilizing unicast, broadcast, and multicast traffic, network administrators can ensure smooth communication between devices while minimizing unnecessary data transfer. Implementing proper network protocols and strategies for handling unicast, broadcast, and multicast traffic can significantly enhance the overall efficiency and reliability of a network infrastructure.